Why is my face getting so fat? Subscribe now, like, and share this video. If the face that greets you in the mirror every morning is getting fatter, it's likely a symptom of weight gain everywhere else. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. While genetics and hormonal factors can contribute to a puffy face, and chubby cheeks, and jowls, there are plenty of lifestyle adjustments that can help people to slim down, lose face fat, and keep the moon face from coming out. For better or worse, the secret to how to lose face fat is as simple as losing weight anywhere: improved diet and exercise. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. Weight gain in the face happens when extra fat deposits build up around the sides, causing it to become gradually rounder, fuller, and puffier. Facial bloating will tend to fluctuate day to day depending on the underlying issue causing it. Excess facial fat typically occurs from weight gain resulting from a poor diet, lack of exercise, aging, or genetic conditions. Fat is usually more visible in the cheeks, jowls, under the chin and neck. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. Weight gain in the face is caused by weight gain overall. That's not to say that getting rid of face fat is easy, but it does come down to meeting broader weight loss and wellness goals. Facial exercises can help, but they'll mostly just make you feel awkward in front of the mirror if you're still housing burgers regularly without working out. Instead, try limiting sugar and salt intake, drinking plenty of water, getting more sleep, and managing your stress. However, click the link in the description to learn how to lose fat on your face. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.